Hi, my name is Sharna. You might know me from my Instagram account over at SweetSharna. So a little bit about me. I come from a very creative background. My parents are really creative. My background is textiles. I started to crochet 11 years ago. When my son was about 2 years old, I really wanted to crochet him a blanket. I wasn't a natural when I picked up crochet. It took me about 3 months to get into the habit. And then as soon as I got it, that's it. I didn't put a hook down for 11 years. That's why I'm here. I was really drawn to these colours when I opened the box of the yarn that Sirdar sent me to help pick the colours for this crochet along. I was really drawn to all the oranges, the pinks and the yellow colours. Straight away, I could just see really big, lovely, juicy flowers, slight 60s vibes, you know, the big like flower power flowers, but I wanted to give it a modern twist. So there is plenty of lovely flower squares on this blanket for you to make. I'm also into kindness, love, mindfulness. So we've got some lovely little heart stitches in there and some heart granny squares. I just think it's really important to sometimes just, you know, don't push yourself too hard. You need to just take a step back and enjoy the process and have a mindful time creating a blanket. There might not be some really technical stitches in there, but there is stitches that you can learn. But I want you to just take your time and enjoy the process of making this crochet along. So if you have never joined a crochet along before, don't worry, we've got it all covered for you. A crochet along, CAL for short. The crochet along runs over the next 6 weeks. Each week you will get your pattern and video tutorial. They're going to be there forever, so don't worry about that. Each week I'll be introducing different stitches, different techniques into the blanket. We're going to start off really gently. So if you're a new crocheter, you're going to be fine. If you're an advanced crocheter, it's going to be lots and lots of fun for you. So make sure, again, you're signed up to receive your weekly emails over at sirdar.com, and you have got your yarn pack, your official yarn pack with all your goodies inside. Okay guys, so let's talk about the exciting part. When you receive your official yarn pack, you're going to get to hold and give the yarn a squish. So let's talk about these colours. This is for me the really exciting part, choosing the colours. Obviously it's a spring blanket, so I really want to showcase the spring colours. I'm naturally really drawn to all the pink shades. We've got some lovely oyster pinks, we've got the deep rose, we've got the rustic pink, we've got the biscuit colours. They look so beautiful when you put them together. I've got some really bright colours to emphasize a pop in. I just want that pop in the blanket, and it emphasizes the spring, the sunshine, the warmer evenings, the lighter evenings, the sunshine yellow. We're getting that warm sun vibes back again. We're moving out of those grey months and we're moving into the brighter months ahead. So I really hope you enjoy the colours as much as I do. Okay, so let's talk about the blanket now. So like I said, we're going to start off nice and gently. We're going to start off with some heart granny squares. The inspiration behind the heart granny squares, it's the time of year, the blanket's coming out. We've got Valentine's Day, we've got Mother's Day. Like I said before, I'm all into love and kindness, and I really want to emphasize that on our heart granny squares, which includes some really gentle, cute little granny square stitches, a bit like a Haribo Love Heart Sweet, that's what they remind me of. We've got 3 different flower squares in this blanket. Like I said before, I like that old-fashioned 60s vibe, but I've tried to give it a modern twist with the really lovely bright colours. We all love receiving flowers. It's that time of year when we give flowers, and I wanted to put that into my blanket. We've got some really lovely granny stripes, because I think granny stripes, I just really love crocheting a granny stripe. It's a really mindful, you repeat the stitch over and over again. You can watch your favorite TV program. Like I said, I just want it to be a really calm crochet along for you. While I was making the blanket, I watched endless reruns of the Gilmore Girls, so I highly recommend watching that while you make this blanket. I love the way all the colours have come together. I love the pops of colours. It's like in springtime when you're going for a walk and you see like the buds popping through, the pink blossom everywhere, the sunshine in the sky, the sunshine yellow yarn. It's just got everything going on for springtime coming into those summer months. Okay, so to start the crochet along, you are going to make sure you have got your official yarn pack, which contains 15 balls of yarn, 10 different shades. You're going to have to make sure you've got your crochet hook. I crocheted my whole blanket with this 4mm crochet hook. And I really love this crochet hook because it's lovely and soft to crochet with, and this bit is quite long, and sometimes crochet hooks are too short, and it just feels really nice in my hand, and I didn't manage to lose it down my sofa the whole time I crocheted this blanket. You will also need a tape measure to measure your squares, a pair of lovely little scissors. Why not treat yourself to a new pair? I always do every time I start a new blanket, and a yarn needle to sew in those pesky little ends. So Sirdar is a British company. I'm British too. The pattern is written in UK terms, the pattern and videos, but don't worry, if you're from North America, you will find the US terms written down in all the patterns. So to get started, again, make sure you're signed up to receive your weekly emails from Sirdar.com, which you will receive your free written pattern and your video tutorials. Make sure, again, you have your official yarn pack with all those gorgeous colours in it. You'll receive your label and some extra little goodies in there. So yeah, let's just make sure we've got our hook ready, and I'll see you for week 1.